Most people don't realize how much time they waste manually copying information from websites, whether it's researching products, comparing prices, collecting leads, searching job listings, or organizing information for a business idea. All of that manual work can quickly become repetitive and time consuming. But what if an AI could handle most of that work for you in just a few clicks? Well, in today's video, I'm going to show you an AI powered tool called Thunderbit. Oh, I'm so excited. That can help automate online research and turn website data into organized information within minutes. But first, I'm Cece. This is Inside Your Hustle. Now let's do some AI assistant research. One thing I like about Thunderbit is that it makes web scraping feel simple and beginner friendly instead of overly technical. Normally, when people hear the words web scraping, they think of coding, complicated software, or something only developers know how to use. But Thunderbit is designed to make the process fast and easy. For example, let's say you're researching products for an e-commerce store or trying to compare prices across multiple websites, okay? Instead of manually opening dozens of tabs and copying information one by one into a spreadsheet, Thunderbit can use AI to identify the information on the page and organize it for you in just a couple of clicks. Oh my goodness, you'll see. It can even go into sub pages automatically to collect more detailed information without you manually clicking every single listing yourself. That's where this starts feeling less like a regular tool and more like having an AI assistant helping you collect and organize information online. Let me show you how it works. Oh my goodness, you're gonna fall in love with this. Okay, so now I'm on Google looking up the LeBron sneakers, LeBron 20 Speak Your Truth, and I'm doing research the old school way, the old fashioned way. I'm going to GOAT and I'm looking up everything I need so I can list these sneakers on eBay. I'm a reseller and I sell my clothes and shoes and sneakers on different websites. Now, this is how I used to do this. I would have to type in the product name. I would have to put in the size, 10 and a half. Look how long it's taking. This would take me at least 30 minutes per item. Okay. So anything I was selling, I had to type in manually. That's ridiculous. I can only sell but how much each day. So I have to put in the size. I have to put it in the description. This takes forever, okay? And I have a 10 and a half Nike LeBron sneaker, okay? Now I put it in the description. Look how long it's taking. Now, mind you, I'm selling about 100 items a day. I have a very successful resale business. And look what I'm doing for each item. This is too old school. This would take forever for you to put in each item, okay? And all the information about it. And I'm leaving out information. I'm leaving out the condition of the sneaker because I'm not thinking, because I'm trying to do every little thing. And the company who made the sneaker, the brand. Now look, each picture I have to do a screenshot and put that in also manually to get all the research to find out how much I can sell this sneaker for. Okay, because you can't sell it. I'm not selling this brand new. This is not a brand new sneaker. So I got to look it up and see how much it's selling for used. And I use GOAT as an example of how much people are selling it for. And I have a 10 and a half. So they're telling me $217 I can sell it for. I'm going to sell it for a little bit less. But that's what I'm trying to tell you. If you do this one item at a time, it's going to take you forever. If you sell on eBay, Amazon, and you're trying to sell items and you're trying to research and look at different websites to see how much everybody else is selling theirs for, so you know how much to sell yours for, it's going to take forever. I know we like to do proper research, but there's a better way to do it. Now, these are the sneakers that I'm selling. Okay, LeBron. Okay, the Nike LeBron 20 Speak Your Truth. They're in pretty good condition. And I did not even put in condition, which is used. Okay, so I'm trying to tell you, it takes forever to do it that way. There's a better way. And this is the way I do it. I'm sharing this little secret. I'm not going to gatekeep everything, okay? So here's a secret that I'm doing. And I'm using Thunderbit. And Thunderbit will make the difference. It will change your life. I'm telling you, it'll speed up the process. All right, so I clicked on the Thunderbit extension and we're going to get busy, okay? Now, Thunderbit is recognizing the pages and is getting all the research, all the data from the pages for the sneaker, and is gathering all the data right now for me. Something that would take hours for me to do manually is doing in minutes, which is amazing. Okay, so now I'm trying to get all this information so I can create a listing for my eBay, for my Facebook Marketplace, for my OfferUp page, all that information. And look how it's doing it. It's gathering all the information for me. And some of the information I try to gather manually, I forgot some of the information that I should have gathered. But it's gathering product image. It's giving me a release date. I never put that when I did it manually. And remember that number of reviews, the ratings, the retailer. Remember I said I forgot to put that? A lot of the information that I forgot, the condition of the sneaker. It's gathering so much information for me on so many different websites. Look at Thunderbit. Go to work. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited. 61 different places for me. And so now I gathered all that information because it made it into a spreadsheet. And I'm going to ChatGPT and I'm saying, can I give you a spreadsheet made by Thunderbit, full of names, prices, descriptions, and photos, and can you use it to come up with an SEO-friendly title description, okay, about a pair of sneakers? I don't even say the name of the sneaker. Chat is reading all the information from Thunderbit, all the information it gathered. It was a spreadsheet, and it knows the sneaker thanks to Thunderbit, and it's going to give me a SEO-friendly title. It's going to give me everything I need because really, it's just summarizing what Thunderbit did. Thunderbit did all the work. Okay? So now it's just compacting it, making it easy for me to put it on my listing. Okay? On eBay, on Depop, on Poshmark, on all the different sites. I sell my merch on all my items. This is what I do. Okay? So look how easy Thunderbit made it for me. Okay, so now I have all that information. This was all based off the spreadsheet from Thunderbit. Now I have the size, men's Speak Your Truth sneakers in men's size 10.5. I have titles. They give me an alternate title I can use, okay? It gave me an awesome description. It gave me everything that I needed because of Thunderbit. Now I can do this all day long. I can post 100 pictures a day on these sites thanks to Thunderbit because they doing all the research for me, giving me my suggested price I should sell it for, giving me the description, giving me a friendly type, giving me everything I need. So now all I do is take that information, boom, summarize it, plop it onto my different sites. You see how easy that is? So what is taking regular people to do manually for hours and hours, I can list 50 items in 30 minutes. That's how easy it is. And these are my sneakers that I'm going to be selling. This is actually one of the items that I'm selling. And I wanted to show you how I list my items using Thunderbit. It is so easy. And if you're trying to sell on Amazon or any of these different websites, you need a very good description. You need information. And the best way to get it and the fast way to get it is through Thunderbit. If you try to do it yourself manually, good luck, okay? Because it's going to take forever. Get all that information. And Thunderbit went to 61 websites and gathered all the information. How much this company is selling it for, how much this one is selling it for. So I could come up with so I know what kind of price to work with. All the descriptions, everything I needed. Things that I didn't even remember to look up, it gave me. And that way I know when I list my products, it's very, very accurate. And I don't have like returns because people really know everything about the product when they go to my website and they go to my listings. And that's how you do it with Thunderbit. I'm telling you, you won't regret this, especially as you resell. Wasn't that awesome? Didn't we save a lot of time today on this? Okay. Research can be done so much easier now, right? So if you're tired of spending hours manually collecting information online and you want a faster way to research products, gather leads, scrape job listings, or organize data for your business, definitely check out Thunderbit. It's designed to help make online research and data collection much faster and easier using AI. You can start exploring it for yourself by using the link down below in the description and let AI do the heavy lifting for you. Thank you for watching. And if you enjoyed this info, don't forget to smash the like button, share, hype this video, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you can learn more about other side hustles that you can turn into your main hustle. Now let me know in the comments down below if you'll try web scraping with Thunderbit. And remember, you are amazing. Bye-bye.